discuss the contract.
Of course, I give you a great deal.
I'm not comfortable with that. We make decisions based on merit.
It's just a small token.
I understand your offer, but we have strict policies against it. Let's focus on the contract.
Let's discuss the terms.
I appreciate your understanding. Let's proceed with the contract.
Is Don Luna check-in?
I'm not at liberty to disclose that information.
But I'm his emergency contact.
I understand. Can you provide more context?
I just need to know if he's okay.
I can try to reach out to him for you. I have a message for Mr. Luna. Please contact him directly.
I need you to work a double shift today.
I work extra hours this week. Can't you get some notice?
I understand. Let me check my schedule. I can offer you an extra day of next week.
Sounds good. Thank you.
You're welcome. I appreciate your flexibility.
Wait there. This food is cold. I asked for it hot.
Apologize for the mistake. Let me replace it.
And I want discount.
I need to offer you a complimentary dessert or discount.
Good, thank you.
Welcome. I appreciate your understanding. Enjoy.